Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Agarwal. I'm a senior program architect here at Salesforce, and in this video we are going to see how we could invite individuals to an event created and managed through Events app by Salesforce Labs. This particular app offers a lot of features and functionalities, and we have already another video that talks about all those features. So in this video, I'm going to keep it simple, create an event and see how we can register contacts and leads to this event. So to create a new event, let's go to the Events tab, click New, and I'm going to fill in only the required fields to create an event. Let's say our event is called TechForce. I'm going to opt in to send email confirmations. What this means is that any contact or lead who are invited to this event are going to receive email confirmation. Let's say our event starts on 27th of January. It starts at 11 a.m. It will end on the same day in the afternoon at 3 p.m. and let's click save. Now we are going to go to the related section and add a couple of tracks to this event. So let's add first an admin track and click save. So one way of registering a contact or a lead to an event is to come to the related section of the event, and over there you will see event registration related list, and click new and select a contact or a lead whoever you want to invite. You cannot select both contact and a lead in the same registration because then a validation will throw you an error. So let's say, for example, I try to select a contact and a lead as well, and I try to click save. It will tell me that you can only select either a contact or a lead. So let's say I wanted to invite John Doe to this event. I fill in the contact information. I selected the name. I want John on the badge. He is the CEO of the company. In the primary track, I will select an admin track. So this is a field with a lookup filter on it that only allows you to select tracks that are added to the event on which you are registering the contact. And I will hit save. So after hitting save, you will see that all the information from contact is pulled over onto the event registration as well. Since we opted in to send out email confirmations, let's go to our mailbox to see if John Doe received an email or not. So as you see over here that John Doe received an email confirming that he was registered for TechForce confirmation. So let me delete this email for now because we will register the same contacts through other modes as well, and we will again see the email coming into our mailbox. So now let's say you wanted to register a contact directly from the contact record page. So you go to the contacts and you select Andy Young. So we have added a new action that launches a screen flow allowing you to register the contact to an event. So let's go here and click register for event. On the first page, you select the event you want to register the contact for. We select TechForce over here, then click next. As you see, the name on the badge and title on badge are pre-populated based upon the information on the contact record. Then we have a couple of fields that we have added, which are event specific field. The primary track of interest, as you see, brings in the tracks that we added on the event. If the event did not have any tracks, then this option will not even exist. So let's select the developer track and click next. Now, since we opted in to send out confirmation email, the flow is asking if we also want to send out reminder email, and it is asking how many days before the event start do we want to send out the reminder email. Let's say we set the reminder then we set it to 2. That means if the event is supposed to start on January 27th, the reminder will go out on January 25th. And let's click next. And we are done. So you have now registered the contact Andy Young to the TechForce event. So let's go to the event over here and go to TechForce and take a look at the event registration. So we have Andy Young added for the developer track. So let's quickly open it, and as you see, we set the reminder email days to 2, and the reminder date is automatically set to 25th of January. Now there's another email that came out for Andy Young that also tells him that his registration is confirmed. A very similar email will be sent out on January 25th, that is 2 days before the event start as well. Now both of these emails are are managed are sent out via the process builders, and the emails are sitting in the email template. So in case you want to make any modifications to the templates, you can go to setup and go to the classic Salesforce templates and find these templates over there. Now, a very similar process exists to register leads for the events. So let's go to the lead record, Bertha Boxer, and you have a same action, register for event, and it launches the exact same flow that we just saw on the contacts, and it will allow you to register the lead. So let's quickly go ahead and register Bertha for the same event. Let's click next. Name and title are again pre-populated. Let's select an admin track, click next, and let's say reminder frequency to 1 and click next, and we are done. Let's quickly go to the events to validate. I'll go to the related, and now you can see the Bertha Boxer is added as another event registration, and the email confirmation date is the email reminder date actually is set to 26th of January. So that is all I wanted to cover as part of this video. Thank you for watching it, and thank you for being a Salesforce customer.